it's all about! Yeah, we got it. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Unreal. Congratulations, Hank. Well deserved.
What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam. This is Vancity Audi. We are here at Famoso Dragstrip in Bakersfield, California, and we just accomplished something incredible. What I'm going to do in today's video is show you the process that we went through to get to here and now. We just wrapped up and managed to break multiple records. Iroz Motorsport putting on a show. They were kind enough to invite me out to this. Once I spent a little time with them at the shop, it has been one hell of a day. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. Step by step by step, quicker and faster until they set the brand new world record quickest RS3 and quickest DAZA powered 2.5 liter 5-cylinder motor in the entire world. Enjoy, guys.
I made my way over to Iroz Motorsport at 3:30 a.m. and the entire team had already been there for hours prepping Jeff Thompson's RS3 for battle. Hank and his team had spent hours the day before ensuring the car was prepped and race ready. Hank knew it would be one hell of an opportunity to run an extremely quick and fast time at a lower elevation, temperature, and DA than they have in Las Vegas, Nevada. It took us roughly 4.5 hours to get to Bakersfield, California, and I enjoyed every minute of it, seeing as I've never driven through that part of the state before. There was plenty to see on our way into Bakersfield. Once we arrived at the drag strip, the team would work quickly to unload the cars and get them ready to run down the drag strip. We only had one thing in mind for Jeff Thompson's monster of an RS3, and that was to run a 7-second pass.
I'm still pretty quick. No, not fast enough though. A little past the trap.
Well guys, Hank's been at it all day. He keeps getting quicker and quicker. He keeps getting faster and faster. They just called 10 minutes left in the rental. This is going to be his very, very last run of the day. Cross your fingers, we can get this done. Scrubbing it for it.
Yeah, sick.
What a guy.
Yeah, these guys are badass. This is why we travel 4.5 hours. Yeah, these guys are good to us. Yo!
So close. So close.
Gosh.
8:05. Almost 181
Oh my
miles an hour.
gosh. It said 8:01, which drag is usually
Always
a couple
slow.
hundredths
I
off.
told them all that. You're
Oh.
gonna come back thinking you ran a 7 because draggy is always slow.
Oh, suck.
Hey, now the guy said you could travel in another hour.
And just when we thought it was over and we didn't manage to get that 7, one of the other gentlemen here asked if we could rent the track for 1 more hour. And we were, oh, we're in. Let's do this. The track officials agreed to it. So Hank and the team are setting up to get another run in to see if they can manage that 7-second pass. The DA is going to get a little lower. The temperature is going to get a little cooler. Cross your fingers, guys. This would be so epic to be present for the very first 7-second run in this black beast.
Alright, let's go. Sick. Alright, baby, let's go get it.
Now Hank certainly must know he ran a 7 because he was running draggy. Yeah! Here it is! World's fastest, world's quickest!
Yeah!
Well done, boy. Oh, hell yeah! Nuts.
Get it.
Congrats. Very well deserved. Very well deserved. Just completely stock underneath, guys. It's so insane. Nothing modified, no aero, no nothing. That blue beast of an RS3 had so many fancy tricks done. This is just a simple run-of-the-mill setup, making a ton of power. Unreal.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Unreal. Congratulations, Hank. Well deserved. Because Hank was running a draggy all day, we're able to offer you even more performance metrics of Jeff Thompson's RS3. Draggy says he ran a 7.96 at 182 miles per hour. He did a 1.78 for his 0 to 60, which is absolutely insane. His 100 to 200 kilometer an hour time was 2.33 seconds. His 60 to 130 mile per hour was a mere 2.69. His 100 to 150 mile per hour, which some might find even more incredible, was only 2.4 seconds. And lastly, his 200 to 300 kilometer an hour time was 4.22 seconds. As for Hank's official time slip, he managed a 1.35 60 foot, which is freaking moving out of the hole. His 8th mile he managed in 5.25 seconds at 144 miles an hour, which is what a lot of people don't even see in a full quarter mile pass in their RS3s. He managed the quarter mile in 7.947 seconds at 182.26 miles an hour. A 7.94 at 182 freaking miles an hour on all boost. That machine is absolutely incredible. What an accomplishment by Hank and the guys at Iroz Motorsport. Thank you again so very much for letting me tag along and catching all the action live as it happened. Thank you guys all so very much for watching, and until next time, take care.